Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic number 28. All about money. Students, can you answer this question? What do we need to buy things? We need cash. Or we can say that we need money to buy things. So students, we all need money to buy things and to pay people who work for us. So do you know what is money or who invented money? Students, today we see money in the form of coins and notes, right? So see here, currency, cash money, coins. So 50 paise, then 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. And notes, so we can see 5 rupees note, then 10 rupees, then 20, 50, 100, 500, 2000, right? So these are the coins we use in India. And these are some of the notes we use in India. So students, as you can see here, these are some of the coins and notes we use in India. So students, different countries use different coins and notes, and their money is known by different names. So as for India, it is what? It is rupee. And this is what? This is the symbol for rupee. Then students, in United States, they use dollars, as you can see here. Then in England, they use pounds. And as you can see, this is the symbol. But students, long ago, people did not use coins and notes. They exchanged one thing for another, as you can see in the picture also, right? They exchanged one thing for another. And students, this was known as barter. So, barter means exchange of one thing for another. So students, in the old days, when there was no money, people used to exchange goods with other goods, which is known as the barter system. And so students, a barter system is an old method of exchange, and this system has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. So students, people exchanged services and goods for other services and goods in return. So students, it may seem unbelievable, but long ago, people even used special stones as money. So imagine how difficult it must have been to carry this money. And then students, people also used bricks of salt, shells and cowries as money in the past. So, cowries means small shiny shells that were used as money in the past in parts of Africa and Asia. Then they gave grains, then farm produce, cattle, goat, chickens, etc. in return for things like clothes, tools and implements or as wages. Then they began to use bits of precious metals like gold, silver and copper as money. So students, it was easier to carry this money around. So students, paper money was first used in China about 1000 years ago. And so, paper money or notes have no value of their own. But a note is a promise to give that much money. And so these notes are printed by government and no one else is allowed to print notes. So only government prints notes. And so students, we must use our money carefully and we should not write on the notes or tear it or crumple it or damage them in any way. And one more thing, that we should not write on the notes. So students, you should also be careful when you spend money because people have to work hard to earn money, right? So we should use money carefully and we should carefully spend money.